Oh, we're definitely trying to tread lightly at Footprint Gardens, and that's the whole ethos of our business, really. We started down the cordless path. Don't use petrol-powered anything. Using battery gear can definitely open up other doorways, whether you want to start earlier or work late. A lot of people around here have got families, and some of them don't even know we've been there, when we go in and we can blow and use the lawnmowers, their kids are asleep. Husqvarna is probably one of the companies at the forefront of commercial battery gear. Really found their gear quality gear and providing us with 95% of the gear that we use on a daily basis. My favourite would be their pole hedger. Yeah, couldn't do without it.